Hello, the Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Blona Hub. And this is the late night update of gold technical analysis. And as you can see there, I just started to analyze the market with monthly time frame. And if we simply take a look in the market from last 2022, as you can see, the market just trying to go up. That means it's long term buy trend. That means it's on buy trend from the long time. And if we check the weekly or firstly weekly, it's also on buy trend. And if we click on daily time frame, as you can see there, as usual, it just on buy trend from the month of June. I just started to go up and it's just continuing or trying to continue the buy position. So let's continue with my favorite H4 time frame analysis. So if you take a look over here, you may see there 1 2 3 support zone, 3 support zone over here, and one of them resistance zone I just draw over here. There is a lot of reason behind the support and resistance zone. As usual, I start analysis and I just draw all of them. So if we click on H1, so if we zoom out a little bit more, as you can see there, last resistance zone related from around that area. That means that was our last higher high. Okay, H mean higher, H mean high. Okay, and if we zoom out a little bit more, and as you can see there, okay, as you can see there, there is 1 2 3 4 5 time over here, and 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6 7 time in this line, and there is 1 2 3 4, maybe 5 time over this line. Okay, so each and every time market was trying to go up or down from that line, but it was unable to go or unable to break out. If we just simply see 1 2 3 4 line over here, just market just take a breakout. BR means breakout over here, and in this area, in this particular area, it was trying to go down, or it was trying to break the support line, okay, support line. So it just unable, again it go up and again try to break, again unable, go up and again try break, go, it's unable to break, again unable to break, and then again fly. So this is the very important zone, as I can see. We can say that because market was trying to break that line, there is something that is that is stopping them continuously to break or to get happening a breakout. So this is a strong support zone, as we easily, strong support zone, we easily can say that. Okay, so for now there is a lot of support zone. You can just take a screenshot, or you can remember all of things. Okay, so let's make analysis from the trend line perspective. Okay, so I want to zoom in the market a little bit more, and if we take a trend line over here, as you can see there, the same thing happening. And if we want to try to draw a upper trend line, as you can see there, that can be a upper trend line. Okay, so as you can see there, market just following that area, and same around that and that. It's just same like that. Market was trying to break that zone, but it's unable, and again unable, again unable to break. That's why it just fly. That means this area or this line is also a strong line. The same thing over here, it just try to break that line in 2 times, but unable to break. It's just trying to go down, up, again down. Okay, so what will be happening, or what can be happen on next few days? So there is some scenario, simple scenario. If we think about support and resistance perspective, as you can see there, it just go up, down, up. So it can be go up from that area, and again if we go, or if we get sell confirmation from that zone, like that area, we will take a sell entry and it will go down for sure. Or one more thing can happen, it just break. Okay, it just can break from that area. And if it break, what we need to do? Okay, listen, as you can see there, if we draw another line over here, sorry, let me draw a trend line in this particular area, or let me draw a support area in this particular zone, as you can see there. Okay, it just broke around this area and it just go up. Okay, it's just trying to go up. That means if it broke that area, it will go up for sure. But before that, we need to wait for some few confirmation. And let me delete it. Sorry. Okay, no worry. Let me delete the line over here and we will draw it again. I'm sorry if you are getting anger with me because there is mistake. And if we see particular or see our previous analysis, as you can see there, that just following our analysis. If it go up from that area and broke our area, we didn't need to buy around there or there or there, that area. We have to wait. We have to wait. If it break, I repeat, if it break, we have to wait. Wait for what? Wait for a pullback. Okay, max of the time, if it break, then it must have to give us a pullback, and we need to buy confirmation over it, then we can buy. Then it can go around 2430 to 2450 around that area. So there is a technical theory. If it give us a breakout and give us a pullback, 80% of time market just give pullbacks, and 20% is exceptional, like as I explained on fundamental analysis. There can be 20% or 10% exceptional case. It didn't get pullback, it just flew up. Then we don't need to take any entry. Okay, sorry for my bad English. I feel very sleepy, but I need to analyze the market. That's why I am analyzing the market. Okay, so if it go up and give us a pullback, again buy confirmation over here, we can buy easily here. But if it go up and send us a buy confirmation over here, that will be risky. If I send buy signal from around that area, I will say to use a small lot. Okay, I will say to take a small lot, or I will mention that trade is risky. Then you need to take decision, you may take this entry or not. Okay, and another, I just say two scenario. One of them, it go around that area and give us a sell confirmation, then we can take sell from there to there. Okay, and if it get back there, the same scenario, if it get or give us a buy confirmation from that area, we will take buy. Or if it get breakout over here and we need to wait for pullback, and then if we get a buy confirmation around that particular area, we will take sell. Okay, if it get break, if this able to break that area, then again give us a pullback and in our trend line zone, that means this trend line zone, and give us another pullback, another back confirmation, that means sell confirmation over here, then we can take sell entry. Okay, so this is the simple scenario. There is almost 10 minutes gone, and we have to analyze my favorite 15-minute time frame, that means for the Monday. Okay, so as you can see there, what we can do in the market, Monday's market. Okay, so let draw a trend line. As you can see there, there is a beautiful trend line over here. Okay, maybe there is 1 or 2 pips ups and down, so forgive that. I'm trying my best. Okay, so this is the trend line. Okay, for a small investor or a small trader, so what we can do, it just as you can see there, it just give us a breakout and go up, and again it's just trying to go down. And if in this scenario, in this position, if it gives us a buy confirmation, then we can buy over here. Or if it break out, then again pull back, again send us a sell confirmation, then we can take sell. Hopefully all things is clear now. I will send another separate or many separate analysis on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So you have to stay active on our Telegram channel t.me/fx billionaire hub. Okay, you also can visit fx billionaire hub .com website to get our Telegram channel link. Okay, there is many fake channel as same as our name, but you have to stay alert from the scammers. So hopefully all things clear below. Mr. Boom signing out and happy trading. Have a great new week.